Signup bonuses in reward apps are usually small because they're designed to get you into the platform, not to be a main income source. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps that offer Signup bonuses, how those bonuses are structured, and what usually determines whether you can actually withdraw that bonus money. Start with what a Signup bonus really is. Most apps don't hand you withdrawable cash immediately. Instead, they give you bonus credits, points, or locked rewards that only become usable after you complete basic actions. So the bonus is activation, not instant income. First category is survey reward apps with onboarding credits. These apps often give new users starting points or access to higher paying surveys after registration, but the bonus usually depends on completing your first tasks. Second category is cashback apps with welcome rewards. These apps sometimes offer new user cashback boosts, but the reward only activates when you make a qualifying purchase through the app. Third category is game reward apps with starter bonuses. These apps may give early in-app coins or points when you first install, but you usually need to play and reach milestones before converting them into cash. Fourth category is microtask apps with registration incentives. These platforms sometimes unlock extra high-paying tasks for new users, which acts like a bonus through better early earning opportunities instead of direct cash. Fifth category is referral-based reward apps. These apps give Signup bonuses when you join through a referral link, but additional requirements are often needed before you can withdraw the reward. Now here's what actually matters more than the bonus itself. Withdrawal rules determine whether the bonus is usable. Many apps require you to reach a minimum balance before any cash out is allowed. Task availability matters just as much. A Signup bonus means very little if there aren't consistent ways to build on it. And verification steps can delay access even after you've technically earned enough. So Signup bonuses are less about free money, and more about giving you a head start inside the app's earning system. Summary. Reward app Signup bonuses are usually activation incentives, not instant payouts. Real value depends on withdrawal rules, task availability, and verification requirements. The system matters more than the bonus amount. Next step. Pick one reward app, claim the Signup bonus, and track how long it takes before that bonus can actually be withdrawn. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.